Nowadays, disease is happening at any time. Even after sleep for 10 hours, 12 hours, I feel something is missing.
The 3 months you have reduced the weight, but 3 months you have sustained that weight, right?
कौन ऐसा है जो राइस के बिना रह सकता है? Whenever they see the changes, they will change.
What did you do when you had cravings? My journey started with my period problem. Most people usually they lose weight and gain it back. एक point के बाद you hit the plateau. This is why India is the leading diabetic country. Our today's guest is Saloni, who has started her journey at 60 kgs and today she is 53 kgs. She reduced her weight in just 3 months despite being a working professional and pursuing on her self-growth. And the best part is she is still sustaining that weight. So welcoming Saloni in the very first episode of Fit Check with Anisha. First of all, congratulations for the transformation. So how are you feeling after coming to my podcast?
Thanks. So I'm feeling fine, happy. And what else you want me to tell?
We don't say that in camera. The camera is rolling. It's not scripted, guys. It's not scripted.
Yeah.
So next, coffee with Karan.
Rashomani?
Rashomani will sometime call you.
Oh, seriously?
But no, on a serious note, I'm really proud of your journey. I'm really proud of your transformation. So I want to listen from you that how was your journey, how it has been when you started, and how it's going on right now.
Yeah. So the thing is, earlier I was a little bit underconfident. I was overweight, and I feel low energy even after doing everything. I feel like my energy levels are low, but and I don't have any knowledge about food. Also, I don't know what to eat, what not to eat. For me, food is food, right? So then, when I slowly grabbed all these things little by little, changing my habits, then I see the difference. I see the changes in my weight. I see the changes in my energy level, and I feel confident also. It's like even after doing all these things from morning to evening or morning to night, I feel I'm okay right now. So yeah, it's really a transformation for me, and all thanks to you, of course.
Yeah, I mean, most people come to me and say that I want to lose weight. I want to मेरा शादी है इसलिए उससे पहले मुझे 10 kg lose करना है, ऐसे goal set करता है. But you were the only one who came and said कि see, I feel low every time. I feel tired every time. I don't know what is wrong with me. I just want to change that. And I think your mother is also diabetic, right? So when that was one of the reasons why you also wanted to um, get yourself into healthy routine.
That's correct. So पहले मैं सैड ओवरवेट रहती थी, फिर मैं हेल्थ पे फोकस करने लगी, एंड मैं अपनी दीवानी हो गई हूँ. जब से मैंने हेल्थ पे फोकस किया है, मैं खुद को पसंद करने लगी हूँ. Okay, jokes apart. So the thing is, my reason of coming is, yeah, my mother is diabetic, and I see nowadays disease is happening at any time, right? And it's not like I'm not doing earlier. I do cardio, I do exercise, I do go for running. For at that time, for me, exercise is cardio, and food is rice. Food is normal homemade food, that's it. I don't have knowledge about proper food and all. But then even after all these things also, even after sleep for 10 hours, 12 hours, I feel something is missing. It's like I'm very tired the end of the day or in the evening time, or even if other things I will do, I'll feel a little less energetic. So that's why I want to explore what is missing in me. When I met you, and then I transformed all these things, like the diet and all these things I got to know, and that had.
पहले तो तुम मत ही बोलो भाई. मुझे फर्स्ट दिन जब पिक्स भेजे थे ना तुम्हारे मील्स का, दोपहर को इतना सारा राइस, रात को इतना सारा राइस, मैं सोचती हूँ कि इतना राइस कौन खाते हैं, इसको मैं क्या बोलूँ, कैसे बोलूँ कि इतना राइस मत खाओ.
और मैं भी लाइक इतना कम राइस कौन खाता है, कौन ऐसा है जो राइस के बिना रह सकता है, लाइक दैट.
But that's what you did, right? That you changed your habits little by little. So
Right.
I want to know what habits you have changed in your life. Ki, see, 6 months sustaining, the 3 months you have reduced the weight, but 3 months you have sustained that weight, right?
Right.
So obviously it's something that you haven't done in one day. So I want to know what kind of changes you have made, that your weight loss sustains, because most people usually they lose weight and gain it back again.
Right.
So what you have done, what is the thing that you have done, what is that magic thing?
Okay. So there is no magic in it. These all things are simple only, but we haven't seen in that way. We see, okay, it's sleeping. Okay, we'll sleep, but we haven't prioritized it. So for me, I just changed a little bit, like sleeping, fixed routine, early get up, and sleeping timing also. It's early and it's fixed. Sleeping, food also for me earlier only. Earlier I don't have the knowledge, right? When I got the knowledge, it is easy for me to know what to eat, what not to. It's like some proper things are there, like with rice, whatever, rather than only carbohydrate I go for protein these foods, I added it to my meals. And some mindful eating also, and how our body works, our mind works, and all these things I got to know, and I implemented that. That's it. So small things, and it made a big difference actually. So regular exercise, eating habits, protein rich food, sleep, proper sleep, and yeah, that's it.
हाँ, आई थिंक तुम्हारा जो रिकॉर्ड रहा है ना, इट हैज बीन वेरी स्लो एंड स्टेडी, एंड दैट्स व्हाई यू हैव बीन एबल टू अडेप्ट इट टू योर लाइफस्टाइल इन अ वेरी माइंडफुल वे. क्योंकि इफ यू हैव नोटिस्ड दैट व्हेन यू स्टार्टेड, you did not stop eating rice overnight,
Right.
right? You still had rice, you first portion controlled it,
Right.
and then you started having rice every alternative days, then you started having rice, like yesterday's rice you started having,
Yeah.
then you swapped it with quinoa and all of those things, right? So matlab थोड़ा थोड़ा करके you have changed everything, not just rice, it's about other things also, that सुबह को क्या खाना है, रात को क्या खाना है, सोया रोटी वाला चीज. सोया रोटी भी, in fact, if you remember, soya roti we didn't do on the one go, right?
Right.
First we made 50% wheat, 50% soya atta, like that we
It's
have
not
changed.
like that.
Yeah.
I ate 4 rotis. You switched it to half, It's like a nightmare for me. You think like, okay, for 4 rotis I can go for one. And at the end you told me to switch it to soup. No roti at all. So yeah.
Yeah.
It took time for me to adjust.
And that's why you have able to sustain also, क्योंकि rapid weight loss मैंने जितना देखा है, that rapid weight loss is always about when you target something. Yeah, rapid weight loss does work for some people, but it is always about when they have a goal set कि मुझे weight loss करना है,
Yeah.
उसके बाद I don't care मेरा क्या
Right.
हुआ, right? But
Yeah.
your motive was not that. Your intention was to have a healthy life.
Yeah. So for me, I think people have some events coming or something like that. So I think they are opted for it, and they do whatever it asks for it. In my case, it is something different uh, because I want a lifestyle change. It's not about only just body. It's about body, mind, health, and throughout the overall transformation. So it will not work, right? If I will not work only on body. Okay, do exercise and that's it. No. So for me, okay, my eating habits, my sleeping habits, my regular exercise habits, uh, how I treat myself, how I criticize myself, how my mind works. So and knowledge about food also. Okay, what is there, okay, why I shouldn't eat it, or why I should eat it. So all overall things will take time for sure. And it's not like abhi kar liya and ye band ho gaya. It will be a continuous process. And I see it is continuing. It's not like 1 month maine chhod diya. You remember, right? I went to home and I just again went to the earlier loop. But then it took less time for me to again come back. So that's what happens here, I feel.
So, when you were in this process, did you ever crave? Because I think craving is the most important thing that people give up on weight loss journey.
Right.
So, what did you do when you had cravings?
So for me, I feel environment matters, because if something is there, and I'll eat it for sure, right? So I don't have it. I will not buy it for sure. Rather than that, I'll put other alternatives with me, right? Rather than junk food, I'll put some jawar ka murmura or makhana in my evening snacks, or peanuts rakh liya, and whatever, and fruits rakh liya, right? So whatever easily accessible for me, and it is healthy. So once I have it, I will not crave for other things, right? But at a time I need something, and I have alternative.
Yeah.
So yeah,
So,
that's my reason.
keeping yourself full every time. Empty stomach is the main reason for cravings, and also sometimes stress and all things happen.
That's
So,
true.
मैं भी ऐसे ही करती हूँ क्योंकि मेरा आई हैव स्वीट टूथ. ओके, सो फॉर मी लीविंग डेजर्ट, लीविंग शुगर, चॉकलेट्स एंड ऑल वाज अ बिग थिंग. सो मैं अभी घर पे शुगर रखती नहीं हूँ. मेरे घर पे देखोगे किचन में शुगर नहीं मिलेगा क्योंकि मुझे
Nice.
पता है कि अभी मैं रखूंगी तो मैं कल ही खाना स्टार्ट कर दूंगी.
Yeah.
तो इसलिए आई ऑलवेज डू दैट थिंग. एंड ऑल्सो लाइक व्हेन आई क्रेव फॉर शुगर, जैसे कि अभी भी after lunch I crave for desserts, so I always have one fruit or something like that, some alternatives which will curb my sugar cravings. So it's very
Can we
important.
go for dates and all? That is healthy.
Dates, so dates is to some extent healthy, to some extent it's not. After all, it's simple sugar. Okay,
Okay.
so at the end of the day it is causing sugar spike. Okay.
So you mean we can have it, but sometimes one or two is fine per
Yes.
day, but not more than
Not
that.
more than that, because ultimately it's sugar.
Yeah.
Jaggery is sugar.
Yeah, that is for sure.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
So फ्रूट्स ऑल्सो ज़्यादा भी नहीं लेना चाहिए, थोड़ा मतलब मेंटेन करके लेना चाहिए. फ्रूट जूसेस से ज़्यादा फ्रूट होल फ्रूट्स लेना चाहिए,
Right.
क्योंकि when you are having the whole fruit you are also getting the fiber, but in the fruit juice you are only getting the sugar, nothing else. So those things matter. Fruit juice, like fruit juice तो नहीं, but even if you are having fruits,
Yeah.
don't take it in empty stomach because sugar
Right.
spike ज़्यादा होगा, acidity ज़्यादा होगा. So those things matter.
Yeah.
बाहर खाना खाते हो?
कीड़ा भी खाती हूँ, ओट्स भी खाती हूँ, कहीं एक्ट्रेस न बन जाऊं इसलिए चीट मील भी करती हूँ.
तो कितना फ्रीक्वेंटली तुम चीट मील करते हो? अभी तो सच बाहर निकलेगा. तुम मुझे कितना झूठ बोलती हो, अब पता चलेगा मुझे.
So करती हूँ, but it's very rare. It's like एक बार हो गया 2 हफ्ते में, like अभी मोस्टली हफ्ते में एक बार, जैसे टीम लंच हो गया या ऐसा हो गया, वो आ जाता है ना कभी-कभी, सो कर लेती हूँ. बट आई कंपेंसेट आल्सो, लाइक कभी टीम लंच में गई तो मैं रात को डिनर स्किप कर लूंगी, लाइक दैट इट हैपेंस. एंड चीट मील आल्सो 2 हफ्ते में, और एल्स अगर नहीं करूंगी तो मुझे लगता है कि बॉडी अडॉप्ट नहीं कर पाएगा वो चीज, बिकॉज हमेशा हेल्दी डाइट फॉलो करूं तो ये करूं, ये नहीं खाऊंगी तो आई फील समथिंग.
एंड ऑल्सो आई फील कि माइंडफुली यू शुड डू अ चीट मील, क्योंकि एक पॉइंट आता है व्हेन यू आर लूजिंग वेट, एक पॉइंट के बाद यू हिट द प्लेटो. ओके, सो उसमें क्या होता है, तुम्हारा उसके बाद योर बॉडी हैज अडेप्टेड टू द क्लीन ईटिंग एंड दैट्स व्हाई यू डोंट लूज वेट. ओके, तो उस टाइम में इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू हैव द चीट मील टू ब्रेक दैट प्लेटो. एंड ऑल्सो उसके साथ साथ वर्कआउट भी नेसेसरी है प्लेटो ब्रेक करने के लिए.
Is it, what about the workout?
So if you remember, when you started with yoga and cardio, then you started body weight training, right? And then you increased the intensity of the body weight training. You went with weight training after that. So matlab, every time you have increased the intensity so that you don't hit the plateau that easily.
Okay, so you mean अगर मैंने कुछ वर्कआउट किया लगातार वही करती रही, it will not change.
Yeah, after a
my
point your
body.
body will get adapted to it and it will not make any difference.
Yeah. I remember that's why uh, earlier when I used to do whatever I do, like cardio and all, I didn't see any difference. But then we just went step by step.
And बाहर का खाना जो खाते हो तो I have seen most people consider बाहर का खाना as cheat meal. So what is your take on that? Do you think that बाहर का खाना always is a cheat meal and should not be taken?
It can be because our our lifestyle is like that. We are going out with friends and chilling with friends, and so I feel that is okay for sometimes. And if we compensate, that is completely fine for me. But regular, it shouldn't be an addiction. It's like आज खा लिया कल भी खा लिया ऐसे लगातार हम खाते गए. So that habit will again will be not let you go. Right?
Yeah.
So
And also I feel that it depends on what food you are eating. क्योंकि my personal experience में when I was at home I used to have घर का खाना every day, okay, but still I had cholesterol, I had triglycerides, I had thyroid, everything. um, why? Because I did not know what to eat. But now I know what to eat. Here, I don't cook. I have outside food, okay, almost every other day. But I know what to eat. I don't have rice from outside. I don't have oily food from outside, which can cause bad cholesterol. Usually have salads, then chicken salad, and all of those things. Those things I think I feel ki bahar ka khana, yes, it matters to some extent because the oil with which they are preparing, how long they are keeping the food, what kind of what is it fresh food or not, those things matter. But if you know that what you are eating and from where you are eating, if that place is trustworthy, I think bahar ka khana is not that bad as well.
and actually I'm a vegetarian. So for my perspective, the protein has some different list. So I want to know what about you? Like you are non-vegetarian, right?
Yeah.
And there are lot many options in it.
Yes, I believe that veg में भी protein options बहुत ज़्यादा है. Just that you have to know. The biggest myth I feel कि लोग सोचते कि dal is the only veg protein source, but it's not. There are a lot other protein source. If you are vegetarian, if you are okay with milk products, then paneer you can have. Um, then if you are vegan, if you are not okay with milk products, then tofu, soya, these all are very good sources, all complete protein. Moringa is a complete protein, chia is a complete protein, chia seeds. I feel in every meal there should be some complete protein that you should take, and it can be vegetarian, it can be non-vegetarian. Obviously, in non-vegetarian, there are more options. We have egg whites, then chicken breast, beef, and everything. Also, red meat is also a good source of protein, but try avoiding those things because it has fat also, lot of fat. So when you are having the protein, you are intaking fat as well. So but lean, for lean protein you can take chicken, egg. You can also have mushrooms is a complete protein. So all of these things are very good sources of protein. So my take always is, in every meal try to keep some protein content, to keep your protein content high and meet your daily protein
I
intake?
remember, in my case, it is a little difficult for you because it's a completely vegetarian things, and I think we changed the roti to soya roti, right? Then oats also, the dry fruits, like whatever seeds are there, we just put it there. And you asked me to eat protein rich food like paneer हो गया, palak हो गया, dal, and other things also. And I'm also taking protein powder also because I see like it is not fulfilling the protein needs. So,
Yes.
yeah, I have to take that also.
Keep protein and fiber in every meal, and that is the main problem of Indian diet. आप इंडियन डाइट में सुबह पोहा लेते हो, थोड़ा बहुत इधर उधर पीनट्स डाल देते हो, या फिर क्या डोसा, इडली, ऑल मेड ऑफ राइस, सो देर इज नो प्रोटीन. ओके, देन लंच में प्रोटीन के नाम में दाल ले लेते हो, इतना सारा राइस ले लेते हो, थोड़ा बहुत सब्जी ले लेते हो. ओके, कहाँ गया प्रोटीन? कुछ नहीं है प्रोटीन. रात को यू टेक रोटी सब्जी या फिर दाल खिचड़ी, ऐसा कुछ. प्रोटीन कहाँ गया? नहीं गया. ऐसे करके तुम रोज करते हो और फिर तुम्हारा सेडेंटरी लाइफस्टाइल है, ना तुम चलते हो ना तुम वर्कआउट करते हो, कहाँ से क्या कुछ भी.
प्रोटीन ही तो है
एंड दैट इज वाई इंडिया इज द लीडिंग डायबिटिक कंट्री. बाहर इतना बाहर ओबेसिटी है लेकिन डायबिटीज इतना नहीं है जितना इंडिया में. तो ये बात बोलो तुम कि तुम्हारा ये ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन देखे लोग क्या कह रहे हैं.
I'll start with my family first. Yeah. Because for my mother, she will be like, लड़कियां थोड़ी सॉफ्ट होनी चाहिए और खाना ज्यादा खानी चाहिए. So she used to keep on telling me like that. But then these things happened. Once I showed my pic to my mom, her perspective got changed. It's like it's not about uh, more rice or more food. It's about right amount of food. And strength also, it's a necessary thing in our life, right? And in this world where disease can happen anytime, anywhere, I can say that anything happens to me, I can tackle it with ease. That confident I have. So when you are confident, the other people, once you believe in yourself, other people will change, right? So for my mother also, she's diabetic, so I asked her to eat soya roti, to eat quinoa rather than rice, and actually and protein powder also. So actually it helps her, and when she sees me and her transformation, so yeah. So it's kind of now she don't ask me like why you are not eating this, and like she's happy. Yeah.
So one person in the family changes and you actually change the entire family, like with that your loved one sees that you are not falling sick so often.
Yeah. True. In this last 6 months, I hardly remember when I was sick. So,
Yeah.
so that's
And same for me. Like, yeah, previously I used to get so tired. Even just working little, I used to get tired, and there were times when I did not get my periods on time also. So I mean, it was affecting my health, and that is the time I mean, my journey started with my period problem. To be honest,
that's the
scariest thing for
yeah,
girls.
and,
Yeah.
and that's the main problem nowadays.
So like overnight I changed and I realized that I need to change. And I feel कि मुझे देखकर मेरे फैमिली भी दे हैव स्टार्टेड, दे नहीं, ये अगर इसको ऐसा हो रहा है तो मतलब मुझे भी ऐसा करना पड़ेगा. फैमिली, फ्रेंड्स, एवरीवन अराउंड मी हैज स्टार्टेड सेइंग कि ओके, you are still looking like 25 at 30.
Yeah, that's the ease reversal. Actually, I also felt it. When the fat goes, we are we are looking young. One thing, and second thing, I want in my like in 30s or 40s also, my body should act like 20s.
Yes.
I should.
Not
I,
just look young, feel
Right.
young also.
The strength. I should
Yes.
have that strength.
Yes.
So yeah, that's another perspective for me to change. And yeah, like you said, your friends and family changed. In my perspective, you won't believe it. Like my friends also, whatever. When I feel whenever they see the changes, they will change. So uh, first they are good, right? They have that they took the stand to take it, to eat it properly. But after eating they also changed, like their health habits, like health become good and all. So yeah, it's not one person. When one person changes, yeah.
And when you change, you want others to change. You want, and this is one of the reason we are doing this podcast. We want people to know that it's not rocket science, it's nothing, it's just consistency, some discipline, simple habits, and you just, anyone can do it. If we can do it, you can do it, anyone else can do it, anyone can do it, right? So what's your next goals on this, and how do you want to take this transformation forward?
Okay. So I think I'll take it to another level. Like wherever I am, right now I'm doing
अब
strength
बनेगी
training.
जिम गर्ल, कैसी धाकड़ है, धाकड़ है.
They'll say, but yeah. So right now I'm doing strength training, but yeah, I'll keep on continuing. I'll explore what other ways are there to gain the muscle and all, and reduce my fat and like that. And whatever I gain, whatever knowledge I have, so I want to share it with others as well. Like whatever I know, I want they should be also benefit.
सो इसका मतलब है नेक्स्ट पॉडकास्ट जब तुम 50 kg से डेडलिफ्ट करोगे तब होगा ना?
Could be. I hope so. Finger crossed.
हो जाएगा बहुत जल्दी.
With you, it is actually, it will, I think I have that trust in you, because at the end I wanted to thank you also, because I'm very grateful to you. I met you, and it's like uh, who has the time to see, who has the time to check on my meals, who will be remembering me? Okay, we have the call, we have to schedule a call, and who will take care of me more than myself and trust me more than myself, you know. See, it's a blessing for me, you know. So yeah.
बस करो, अब रुलाओगे क्या? I hope AI doesn't take my job. Okay, so with that, we came to the end of this podcast. Thanks, Saloni. Thanks a lot for coming to my podcast and trusting in me again and again. And we will take this forward and we will go to the next level. And the next time when I call you in my podcast in this seat, I want you to show that you are lifting 50 kgs deadlift. Okay?
Challenge accepted.
Yeah, let's go. Bye bye, everyone. I hope you liked the podcast. And if you have liked it, please like, share, and subscribe. Bye bye. Moringa is healthy, baby. Never have I ever lied about my weight. जब भी चीट किया है बोल दिया कि मैंने आज चीट किया. Refused an outing plan to stay on diet. 60 ml. बनाना before workout or after work. अगर तुम जिम में लड़कियां नहीं देखना चाह रहे हो. Lifting weights make you look muscular like man.